Fire, 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 fire.
Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg. We're adding a lot of blue to the truck, and today we're adding even more. So I'm pretty excited about this one. Saw this on Instagram, and I was like, I have to have it for my truck. Oem Extinguishers. Hopefully I'll never have to use it, but in any case, I'll be safe or safer and have something to keep me safer in the event that I do. So Oem Extinguishers, thank you guys for sending this out. Very excited to put this in the back of the truck with my Built Right Industries Molly kit. We got peanuts that are gonna go everywhere, so this is a big reveal. I haven't opened this, as you guys can tell, so. All right, the big reveal, guys. Some blue, and they really wrap this thing good. Maybe I'm colorblind. Got that rapid blue to match. You guys saw the Emblem video from 404 Parts with the rapid blue. It continues, so awesome. It's got the safeties on there. Thank you guys for sending this out. This is immaculate. I mean, great quality. It's the color I want on the truck, so one step at a time, we're slowly getting there. You got the blue upper control arms, the blue tow hooks, the blue emblems. What else do we have blue? The blue Charvonia design D-rings. Got blue finally coming into the Blue Garage. So again, thank you, Oem Extinguishers. Without further ado, we are going to get this thing installed on our Molly kit. Where I'm going to be working, where I'm thinking of putting it is right here, driver's side, quickest place to get access to it. One thing with Oem Extinguishers, I'll show you here, they are pros with BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, McLaren, Mercedes, Lambo, VW, and Audi. So I reached out to them and be like, hey, what about GM? Would you mind doing one for my truck? And they actually paint matched the rapid blue. And yeah, I couldn't be any more grateful. Thank you guys at Oem Extinguishers. Can't wait to get this thing mounted in here. Obviously, different shade of blue than the Charvonia design D-rings. Doesn't matter. Blue is blue. It looks great. I'm looking forward to getting this in there. So part of my Built Right Molly kit, Built Right supplied these fasteners, so I can use their bolts, 10mm bolts here, to fasten whatever I need to their Molly system. So what I need to do here is figure out where I need them. Looking down at the bottom of my Molly kit, I've already positioned this. Rounded side is towards the top, and the flush side is towards the bottom. Two 10mm bolts here with our hardware from Built Right. That way we can get these in position. So let me show you what I need to do first. So I am going to go low here. The top rows are where I'm going to put this. Put them in sideways and then rotate them. Scratch that idea. I will do one at a time. I thought I could do it that way. That one is threading through nicely. Nice and snug there. I got my strap where I need it. It's perfectly placed where I'm going to put my extinguisher, and now we can mount it. Again, rapid blue, guys. Looks awesome. Pretty excited about that. All I gotta do is strap this on. Nice and secure. Looks good there. Obviously, it's not gonna stay blue for long in this dirt, dusty area, but looks good. Really happy with the color match. Thank you again, OEM Extinguishers. This looks awesome. Couldn't be happier. And for you guys that want to color match your own fire extinguisher through OEM Extinguishers, use the discount code The Blue Garage. Links will also be available on my website, so go get your own. All right, guys. So with fire safety, fire extinguishers, you know, you need to practice safety. So I have the GoPro set up on my head right now. Daniel's recording me on both his camera that I'm looking at now and the GoPro. And we're gonna run a little test where I'm just driving 30 miles per hour, and at any point in time, Daniel's gonna yell out, fire, fire, fire. And we're gonna safely come to a stop and see how quickly I can get the fire extinguisher out of the back off the molly kit and put it to use.
Dude, what is that over there? Fire?
Fire, fire, fire,
fire, fire, fire.
Not bad. I think that worked out pretty good, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm bad at acting. I don't know. It felt kind of corny, but dude, that is awesome. Again, OEM Extinguishers for the win, guys. Got to stay safe out there. Even if you don't get it color matched, maybe you just order a plain red one from them. It's worth staying safe or keeping your buddies safe while you're out on the trails or out there. What do you guys think? Does this look good? Should have wore this the day I met my wife. Awesome. I love it, guys. OEM Extinguishers. Discount code The Blue Garage. Well, guys, that's a wrap. OEM Extinguishers. Thank you guys for custom painting my Rapid Blue fire extinguisher. First thing that I've mounted onto my Built Right Industries molly kit too. So pretty excited about that. Obviously, I had to learn on how that needed to be done. Overall, couldn't be happier with where it sits. Easy access, as you guys saw with my terrible acting, but overall, couldn't be happier. Looks good. I'm gonna be safe out there. Help my buddies be safe as well. Hopefully, pray to God, nobody ever needs to use it, but if that's the case, it looks good. So go get yours. The Blue Garage is your discount code, OEM Extinguishers. Links down below, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. What do you guys think of this new look? And I was a dummy, and I accidentally, because I wasn't looking, threaded it into the side. I think I could do it in about 5 seconds or so. Or sorry, 10 seconds. Let's do that over again. Sorry.